Why the Prophet's PBUH daily routine is followed by top CEOs today. What if I told you that billionaires, CEOs, and success coaches are now copying a daily routine that was practiced 1,400 years ago? No, it's not from Harvard. It's not from Silicon Valley. It's from Medina, and the man they're unknowingly following was Prophet Muhammad. Let's break it down. From waking up early to planning the day, staying mindful, sleeping early, and leading with empathy, top entrepreneurs are building lives based on Sunnah. This is not just religion. It's a divine blueprint for personal excellence. 1. Waking up at far, early start equals barakah. Today, top CEOs like Tim Cook and Elon Musk wake up around 4:30 a.m. They say the early morning is quiet, focused, and magical. But the Prophet said this first. O Allah, bless my nation in their early mornings. Tirmidhi. He woke up before sunrise, prayed, reflected, and started his day with clarity. Success today begins where far begins. 2. Time blocking and routine. Elon Musk and productivity gurus use time blocks to manage their day. So did the Prophet. He had clear blocks for salah, family, teaching, community, and rest. He once said, "Your body has a right over you. Your family has a right over you. Your soul has a right over you." Bukhari. Balance wasn't optional. It was the lifestyle. 3. Eating less. Walking more. Today's doctors say, walk after meals. The Prophet did that daily. He encouraged light meals and disliked overeating. He said, the son of Adam does not fill any vessel worse than his stomach, Ibn Majah. No gym membership, no fancy diets. Just moderation, movement, and mindfulness. 4. Leading with empathy. Modern leadership trainers preach emotional intelligence. The Prophet was the master of emotional wisdom. He smiled often. He listened deeply. He forgave easily. When children came near him during Salah, he shortened the prayer out of mercy. Jeff Bezos and Simon Sinek talk about servant leadership. But Islam gave us Rama-centered leadership centuries ago. 5. Sleeping early, circadian rhythm mastery. Sleep experts say, sleep early, wake early, avoid screens at night. The Prophet used to sleep after Isha and wake before Far. His sleep aligned with the circadian rhythm, now backed by science. He also recommended afternoon naps. Kailala, which modern studies now praise for brain refresh. So next time you read about a billionaire's morning routine, remember the most successful man in history. A leader, teacher, husband, and prophet already lived it. With more peace, more faith, and more impact. Lightbulb Islam isn't behind the times. It's ahead of them. Don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Islamic wisdom uncovered from the heart of Western society.